Wow, look at all of those computers.
Thank you. I'll be right back, Warren. Remember, don't touch my computers. If you do, then you are grounded.
Okay, Dad. I am going to play on my dad's computer until he comes back. Yes, I won this game. And here comes my dad.
Warren, is there something you want to tell me?
Huh? Uh-oh. I'm in trouble.
Warren, I can't believe you messed with my computer while I was gone. You know that it's for me, not for you. That's it. You are grounded for 81538524950245824 years. Go to bed right now.
Wah 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 wah.